What are you doing?
Getting ready to pull a manifold off after you cleaned.
Cleaned all that.
You cleaned it, you hosed it. There's still some leaves around the side we'll get later.
Yeah, well, I gotta suck that water out anyway, so.
You're gonna suck what?
Nothing. Hey, is that a junkyard part?
No. There's just probably, there can't be any junkyard parts on this boat. I mean, yeah.
Ooh.
Boom. Come on, baby. There's your manifold. Ready?
Yep, 1, 2, and 6.
Oh, easy. Okay, now remember what I told you. The coolant block-offs need to go to the rear when we put the gaskets on.
Okay.
So we all know.
You got that on video now.
Yes, dear. Okay,
So,
that's off now. So now we can begin
the cleanup.
cleaning. We need to clean down in there because I know some coolant got down in that. We got to clean all our gaskets. We got to plug off the ports
Mm-hmm.
and clean, clean, clean.
It's a good thing we got lots of little rags, huh?
Yes, sir. And then I got to get this bottom off here.
Uh-huh.
And ooh, Scotty's shooting at the same time. Get this apart, and I'm gonna put it in the washer to get it nice and clean.
Ooh. All right, guys. Well, get everything nice and clean, and we'll go back to you guys.
Hey, sweet cheeks, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. You haven't called me that in a while. Are we going on a date tonight? I am scraping the whole gasket off, so we can put it in the machine to get the whole internals and everything else nice and clean.
Make it nice and clean, like brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand spanking new.
Spanking.
I mean, Corvette's basically brand spanking new.
Yeah.
It's only got 5,500 original miles.
All right, getting it clean, getting it nice, making it beautiful. Beautiful.
No matter what they say, words can't.
Okay, anyway.
I haven't yet. I'm still practicing. I gotta smoke a few more cigarettes.
Oh. The box of cigars came.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump you for that, by the way.
Oh.
Sorry, you shouldn't have opened it. You should have told me.
Yeah, well, you get to smoke them on my birthday, so.
I'm still one of your personal ones.
Oh, yeah, let me get them in the humidor first.
Yeah. You will tonight.
Yeah.
I'm not stealing this second. I'm not gonna smoke it. I gotta drink another beer first.
What?
What?
It's like 10 in the morning.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Okay, whatever.
I'm just kidding.
We gotta get the sensors out as well.
They're out. They're gone.
They will be.
Yes.
And then this goes for a bath. A bath! Bernsey needs a bath.
I do not. I took a shower this morning. Ooh, nice hot bath and a jacuzzi though. Hot. Like really hot though.
Jacuzzi?
You like to put jacuzzis?
Anyway.
Inside joke.
Inside joke.
If anybody's got any questions about that.
21 years ago.
If anybody got any questions about that, you can personally message Bobby at, I don't even know. Find him on Instagram, Deseroff Classics, and you can ask him what that story's about.
Oh boy. We might have to do a video on that. We should just do videos on old times.
Old times.
Just tell stories and not change anybody's name. Just to piss off people.
Yeah, well, most people who will probably watch that, I don't think really get pissed. Majority of them. I mean, there's probably a couple of the old whole.
Anyway, this is getting cleaned up. Moving on.
Yeah.
And,
back to the Corvette.
Next time you see this, it'll be pretty. This won't be.
Beautiful.
But this will.
Oh,